In today's video, we're going to be looking at the taskbar. I have the taskbar hidden on my device, but by default it will always be there in Windows 10. However, if you do need to pull it up, you can press the Windows key and the T key, and that will set focus to the first thing on your taskbar. By either pressing the Tab key or continuing to press the Windows key and the T key, you can cycle through all the applications and things that you have pinned on your taskbar. Pressing Tab will send you to our notification area. We can then navigate this with our arrow keys. Thanks for watching. I hope this has helped. Visit kazzicom.com for information on IT solutions, cloud support, Office 365, and many more services.